Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bafana dealt with a major blow ahead of the crucial 2026 World Cup qualifiers against Zimbabwe in Rwanda. Relebohile Mofokeng has been withdrawn due to an injury sustained on Saturday. This is a crucial moment for the team's World Cup dreams. If you are new here, hit subscribe and let's analyze this setback. Bafana is in the midst of their 2026 World Cup qualification campaign, currently second in Group C, level on points with Benin but trailing on goal difference. The upcoming matches against Zimbabwe on 10 October 2025 and Rwanda on 14 October 2025 are crucial for securing a spot in the tournament. Relebohile Mofokeng, a key forward for both Orlando Pirates and the national team, has been instrumental in their attacking strategy, making his injury a significant concern. On the 4th of October 2025, during Orlando Pirates' victory over TS Galaxy, Relebohile Mofokeng sustained an injury that ruled him out of the upcoming World Cup qualifiers. The exact nature of the injury wasn't detailed, but it was severe enough for Bafana coach Hugo Broos to confirm his withdrawal on October 6, 2025. Mofokeng's absence is a major blow, as he has been a vital part of the team's offensive capabilities, contributing significantly in recent matches. The news raised concerns amongst fans. Reactions ranged from disappointment to discussions about the team's impact on their World Cup qualification campaign. The event reignited debates about injury management and the pressure on the squad to perform without key players. Other players like Spepelosi Tole and Patrick Maswangai have also been sidelined, adding to the challenges faced by the team. Relebohile Mofokeng's injury is a significant setback for Bafana's 2026 World Cup qualification campaign. Mofokeng's absence will test their ability to adapt, particularly in the crucial matches against Zimbabwe and Rwanda. The team's current position in Group C, level on points with Benin, means every game is crucial, and losing a key player like Mofokeng could affect their goal difference and overall performance. This event reflects the highs and lows of supporting a national team. The conversation is a mix of concern and hope, with some fans calling for other players to step up, while others are questioning the team's preparedness. Coach Hugo Broos has emphasized the importance of quality performance over the favorites tag, and this injury will test that philosophy. The coming weeks will be crucial for the team's strategy and morale, potentially influencing their World Cup qualification prospects. It's a moment of reflection for all of us on how we support our team through adversity. Bafana's major blow on Relebohile Mofokeng's injury is a challenge, but also an opportunity for the team to show resilience. It's a call for us to rally behind our players and believe in their ability to overcome. What do you think? Can Bafana still qualify for the 2026 World Cup without Mofokeng? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe for more on South African sports and national pride. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe for more on South African sports and national pride.